In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync two Google Calendars. This can be incredibly handy for managing multiple calendars and ensuring you're always on top of your schedule. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Calendar. Once you're on the landing page, you'll see an option to sign in. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click there. After clicking on the Sign In button, you will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Choose your account from the options provided or input the email address and password associated with your Google account. Once you've done that, hit Enter or click Next. Now that you're logged into your Google Calendar, you need to select the calendar you want to sync. This might be your primary calendar or any other calendar you've created. To do this, look at the list of available calendars on the left-hand side of the page. Once you've chosen the calendar you wish to sync, you need to click on the three vertical dots next to the calendar's name. This action reveals a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. In the settings, you have the option to customize your calendar details. You can change the calendar's name, description, and other details to make it easily identifiable. This can be particularly useful when managing multiple calendars to avoid confusion. Scroll down until you find the Share with Specific People section. Here, you'll see an Add People and Groups option. Click on it to proceed with adding another account. Enter the email address of the Google account you want to sync with. It's important to enter the correct address, as this step is crucial for synchronization. After entering the email address, you need to choose what permissions you'd like to grant. Options usually include whether the other account can see only the free busy status or manage changes and sharing settings. Click on Send to invite the other Google account to access the calendar. You will need to switch over to that account to complete the process. Go to the second account's Gmail inbox where you should find an email inviting you to join and share the calendar. Open this email and you will see a link to join the shared calendar. Click on Join Shared Calendar. After clicking on the join link, you'll be directed to a page where you need to confirm adding the shared calendar. Click on Add to complete this step. Finally, it's time to verify whether the calendar syncing was successful. Go back to your Google Calendar and check if events and details from the other calendar appear as expected. If everything is working correctly, your Google Calendars are now synced. There you have it, a straightforward method for syncing Google Calendars to help you stay organized. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.